How to use the activity feed in Trello. Hello friends, in this video you would learn how you can use the activity feed in Trello. The activity feed in Trello is a useful feature that allows you to track all the actions taken on a board. And then how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Trello account, and then once you're logged in, you will be brought to your own page automatically. So on this page, you can see the things that you've done recently on your account. All right, you can see the recent, the boards and the likes. And then the next step is move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you can see some options which include boards, highlights, views, members, settings. Just go ahead and click on boards. After clicking on boards, you'll be brought to the boards page. On this page, you'll see the workspace, and then you'll see view boards, etc. Then the next thing to do, so as you can see this, the next step is to scroll down and then select the board whose activity field you would like to use. So after selecting the board, you will be brought to the boards page, okay? And then at this stage, I must let you know that the activity field will allow you to see and track all the actions that you're taking on the board, all right? And then the next step, once you're on this page, is move to the top right side of the screen where you can see the more option button. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, the menu page will be displayed, and then you'll see a description, you'll see activity, you'll see archive items. By the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. So the next thing is to go ahead and click on activity. By the time you click on activity, you can see all of the recent things that you've done so far. For me, I have enabled the voting power up. I have added an attachment. I have added a due date. I've added a new card, etc. And by the time you do that, by the time you scroll down, you'll see other activity as well. And by the time you move to the right side of the screen, you can also check out comments about your boards by your other board members. All right. So this is basically how you can use in the activity field in your Trello account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.